Are you tired of bland diet food? Do you dream of a meal that's protein powerhouse, an ironclad champion, a weight loss wizard, a blood sugar ballerina, a fiber fiesta, and an antioxidant army? This fried quinoa recipe is the answer you've been searching for. Let's kick things off by whipping up a quick scrambled egg for our garnish. In a bowl, thoroughly whisk 2 large eggs. Heat a little oil in a wok over medium heat, then add the eggs and scramble them. Immediately remove the egg to a plate and set aside for later. Alright, let's dive in and make this amazing quinoa fried rice. We'll start by chopping a 1/4 cup of shallot. Throw in the shallot in a wok with 2 tablespoons of oil over medium-high heat. Following that, chop 2 stalks of green onion, separating the white and the green parts. And stir the white parts into the wok for a minute. Let's add a touch of sweetness and a burst of color by finally dicing a 1/4 cup of carrot. Toss in the carrots into the wok and stir it up for 2 minutes. Now add 1 cup of cooked quinoa. If you're unsure how to prepare quinoa, a detailed recipe is available in the description. For seasoning, add ½ teaspoon of toasted sesame seed oil. Add 1 tablespoon of soy sauce or tamari for a gluten-free option. For extra spice, you can add 1 teaspoon of chili bean paste or chili sauce. This is optional. Now, let's return the egg. For added protein and a pop of color, add a 1/4 cup of green peas. Now add salt and white pepper, adjusting until you're happy with the flavor. Lastly, add the rest of the chopped green onion. And that's all there is to it. The quinoa fried rice has a delightful blend of savory, nutty, and a slightly sweet notes with a hint of spice if you opted for the chili paste. But it's not just about the taste. It's a nutritional powerhouse, delivering high protein, iron, fiber, and support for blood sugar, weight loss, and antioxidants. With that, thank you so much for tuning in. If you enjoyed this, please give it a like and subscribe for more quick, easy, and delicious recipes coming your way.